Have you ever photographed a beautiful scene, gotten home, opened the files, and thought, that isn't what I remember? The light felt amazing. The atmosphere was there. But the camera produced something that looked flatter than the experience. That's because your eyes and your camera do different jobs. Your eyes decide what matters. Your camera records everything. As photographers, our job is to translate what it felt like to stand there into a photograph someone else can experience. The first difference is attention. When you looked at this scene, your eyes immediately found the subject, the light, the reflection, or the mountain, but the camera also captured every bright branch, awkward edge, and distraction. Composition isn't about making a scene prettier, it's about helping the viewer notice what first caught your attention. The next challenge is brightness. Landscapes often contain more contrast than a single exposure can record. Every photograph becomes a choice. Do you protect the sky? Do you brighten the shadows? Or do you create a balanced interpretation? Photography isn't about saving every detail. It's about deciding which details matter most. Light isn't the only thing that changes. Color shapes emotion, too. A cool image can feel distant. One that's too warm can feel unnatural. White balance isn't simply correcting color. It's helping communicate how the scene actually felt. Editing should support that memory, not replace it. Before pressing the shutter, take one last look around the edges of the frame. Cameras faithfully record every distraction, bright corners, awkward overlaps, and empty space. Often the best improvement isn't changing your settings. It's taking one step to the side, changing your height, or making a cleaner composition. Strong photographs usually begin before editing. I ask myself 4 questions. What attracted me? What needs to be protected? Where should I stand? And what can I leave out? Good decisions in the field make editing much easier later. Editing is the second half of the translation. I don't edit to make a photograph more dramatic. I edit to make it communicate more clearly. I protect important highlights, shape the shadows, refine the color, and remove distractions. Every adjustment should help answer one question. Why did I stop to make this photograph? The next time a photograph doesn't match what you remember, don't blame the camera. Ask yourself, what attracted me? What distractions did my eyes ignore? What needed protection? What could I have changed in the field? And what can I honestly improve in the edit? Photography isn't just recording a scene, it's translating an experience.